All right, guys, so I want you to take a good, hard look at this car in its current state, especially with the OEM rims. That's because in a few minutes, we're going to be heading to Rim Time Custom Tires and Wheels in Clarksville, Tennessee, to get this old Panther car a new set of shoes. I've actually been on the fence about this for quite some time because in one hand, I want to separate myself from the purists and actually do my own thing with this car to kind of give it a little bit more personality. So after giving it some much needed thought, I came to the conclusion of life is too short to drive a stock car. So with that being said, guys, only thing left to do is head out to Clarksville and let's see just how much we can change up the look of this old Panther car with a new set of wheels. I hope you guys like it too. I know I did. See ya. So as you guys can see, I decided to swap out the OEM Chrome Mercury Marauder rims for a set of 18-inch Ravetti rims. Now, I'm not going to sit here and make excuses about why I installed the new rims by saying that the new aftermarket rims are lighter or even a little bit wider than the OEM rims, or that they give me some kind of advantage, whether it's performance, turning, braking, acceleration, any of that. I'm not here to make up any excuses as to why I didn't get rid of them. Correction, let me stop myself there. I didn't get rid of them. They're currently sitting wrapped up in bubble wrap, tucked away in my barn. The OEM rims, I'm never getting rid of those things. Let me just state that for the record. Jesus, man, these black cars are almost impossible to keep clean. So guys, besides the fact that this is my car, and if I wanted to, I could have freaking put a set of gold Daytons on it for all I care. Personally, I think the all black look on the Mercury Marauder just enhances the already menacing look of this car. Don't just take my word for it. I mean, look at the damn thing. Besides, the OEM rims desperately needed some refinishing. At some points, man, those rims ended up looking dull as hell. And as far as the new rims go, I kind of wanted something that rode that fine line between like Terminator Cobra and some like Mustang Rovo wheels. kind of give you guys a little go around the car just so you can get a better idea of what it looks like with the rims. Like I said earlier, the only thing is it's an all black car, so I mean, and I live out in the middle of the damn country, so no matter where I go, these things always pick up just dirt and gravel and pretty much everything else under the sun. Now, I don't know if this is a southern thing or if this is maybe because I live out in the country, but man, just the crazy, ridiculous amount of pollen that's just been falling out of these damn trees lately. But just so you guys get a little better look of the car. We got the chrome delete up above. Deleted the chrome trim from the side, and then with the blacked out rims, this thing is just freaking menacing. I love it. I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit, but kind of keep it classy. I wanted to kind of keep it with that Ford theme. Like I said earlier, I kind of wanted like some Terminator Cobra vibes and those Rovo wheel vibes as well. I think these wheels right here pretty much accomplish that perfectly. Like I said, I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Was it a mistake? Are you guys digging it? I'm digging it. Definitely gonna need some new tires though. I had to slap on them old tires there in the meantime because, you know, that broke life ain't no joke. But I think it looks good for the time being. I'll just give them a little wash, maybe shine them up a little bit. Either way, you already know it's your boy Mr. Random. I got a little something cooking up with Cobra Roush Tribute Crown Vic. I got a little something being installed. I had to do a little bit of modifying, but you know me, man. I make things work. I make things work with that Cuban ingenuity, man. So you guys keep an eye out for that video. And like I said in my last one, I also got something done to the LX Sport. I'm just waiting for a last piece to get here. I think you guys are gonna enjoy that video too. Either way, catch you guys in the next one, man. Take it easy.